How'd he do that? How'd he just appear like that? Okay, this is a box we got from Super Clean. I've had this for about a week now, and I've been wanting to see what's in it. So I appreciate the Super Clean team sending this out to us. See what's in here. You think you could hold a box for a week without seeing what's in it? Yeah, it's hard to do. Awesome. Some hats. All right. Both of them. Wow, red, white, and blue one. That's cool. That's nice. Then you got your camouflage one. Them are nice. Okay, now we got some Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. Then we got some Super Clean, dissolves grease super easy, super fast. That's just your normal degreaser. Then we got some Super Clean, the spray on. So I appreciate Jessica for sending that out to us. I missed one. Okay, we're also gonna do a giveaway. I haven't had too good luck on just going through the random generator and picking out a winner. Where you go into the comments and put in a comment, and then I go in and do a random pick on your comments. I can do that, but then whenever I do get a winner, then I can't seem to get an address to ship it to. So what we're going to do in this contest, we are going to send you one of these and a hat. We'll send you this right here. The camouflage hat. I still got a shirt and a purple hat up there. Super Clean. But I really like this red, white, and blue hat. I got to keep that one. That's cool. So we're going to give this to the first person when this video comes out that sends me their name and address to CamaroModsChannel@yahoo.com. That's it. That's all you gotta do. I can't seem to get addresses, and kind of makes me aggravated. I love giving stuff away, but I can't seem to get your address. So all you gotta do to receive this hat and this Super Clean. Hope you don't mind if we test this out real quick. I've got some more in the cabinet. In fact, I got some right over there. We can use that one instead. Super Clean. We're going to go try this on this car over here. I got a 2006 Grand Prix that we're doing a water pump change on it. And there's so many videos on doing that water pump change that there's no use in making a video on it. So I'm not going to do a video on it. But I'm going to do a video on. I got the overflow tank sitting right out there. We're going to shoot some Super Clean on it because it is very greasy. That motor is very dirty. So we're going to check it out. Spray it on, wipe it off, rinse it off. You're ready to go. Stuff is real easy to use. Spray-ons, nice and easy. Now you do want to use this on a cold engine. You don't want to have a hot engine. That's the best thing you need to do is have a cold engine. You would think it'd be the other way around, but this stuff works on cold parts. Cold engine, that's what I understand. You can't have it on a hot engine. So, get your name and address. Camaro Mods channel. First one that gives me your full name and address. I'm not even going to do a drawing. Well, this is going to be a drawing. Or I'm not going to do a random pick. All you got to do is watch the video, put in your name and address, and put in Super Clean Win to receive this right here. Very nice items. Hate to give them away, but we talked about doing a giveaway, so we're going to do a giveaway. So I could probably just ship it in the same box I got it in. How about that? So, switch the camera around here, go look at the car, and we'll try this stuff out. Okay, I hope that's bright enough for you. See how dirty that is? Lots of grease and dirt on that. So I got, it's probably a little over half a bottle. Okay, we'll let that sit for a minute. Okay, this motor is a 3800, and if you know about the 3800 engines, the V6s, they're a very good engine, but they're also known to coolant leaks, and it's because of these elbows right here. They put them in new at the factory plastic. These right here are aluminum. And this one, when it came apart, had a blowed out O-ring. So that's where it was leaking at. So it probably didn't even need another water pump. Looked like somebody's already been in there and changed out this water pump probably a couple years ago. So I probably didn't even need to take that apart. So, look at this. You run that underwater. Look how this cleans right off. A little bit of scrubbing, that thing will look like new. Yeah, I figured I'd get this video done before I start. I got to put a lot of this back together. I got to put these in today, and I'm still waiting on some bolts. I got some bolts I got to swap out. But look how clean that is, with just two wipes on it. See the difference on that? That's amazing. This stuff works so good. Okay, that's the inside of the tank. And the outside of the tank. Probably wouldn't hurt to spray that too. Okay, that's stuff works good. So I thank Jessica for sending that out. That super clean package, we'll get one of them given away, so make sure you get your name and address in there. Camaro Mods channel at yahoo.com, and somebody will be the winner. So thanks for watching.